Hello, I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, a urologist and men's health expert. And today I want to talk about something every man over 50 needs to hear. You've probably heard that magnesium is essential for energy, blood flow, and overall vitality. And that's true. Magnesium plays a critical role in over 300 enzymatic reactions inside the body. But here's the shocking truth. If you're only taking magnesium and ignoring two specific vitamins, you're likely blocking your own blood flow at night and preventing your body from rebuilding the circulation and performance it desperately needs while you sleep. Tonight, I'm going to share with you the science-backed connection between magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2, and how this simple combination works while you rest to restore blood vessel flexibility, support testosterone balance, and even improve morning energy and confidence. No pills that promise the impossible. No risky procedures. Just science, rhythm, and consistency. 1. Why blood flow declines? After 50, let's begin with a simple question. Why do men after 50 suddenly notice changes in their energy, stamina, and morning performance, even when they're eating healthy or exercising? The answer lies in your endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of your blood vessels. When you're young, your arteries are flexible, elastic, and smooth. They allow blood to flow freely, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell, including the cells responsible for male performance. But as we age, calcium begins to build up inside the arterial walls. Think of it as plaques cementing the pipes. Your blood vessels lose flexibility. Circulation slows down, especially to smaller capillaries in areas like the pelvic region. That means less oxygen, less nutrient delivery, and less responsiveness. Even your body's natural testosterone production and repair mechanisms are affected. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow, quiet process, one that's often ignored because it starts subtly. You wake up less refreshed. Workouts feel heavier. You lose that sharp drive you once had. But the real culprit isn't just aging, it's nutrient imbalance. 2. The truth about magnesium. Let's talk about magnesium, one of the most misunderstood minerals in men's health. Magnesium supports muscle function, nerve health, sleep, and blood pressure regulation. But here's the catch. Magnesium doesn't work alone. Imagine magnesium as a construction worker. It can build strong muscles and support energy, but without the right architects, in this case, vitamins D3 and K2, that energy can go in the wrong direction. Most men take magnesium for muscle recovery or heart health, but few realize that magnesium can actually deposit calcium into the arteries if it's not properly balanced by vitamin K2. A 2018 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that magnesium supplementation alone didn't improve arterial flexibility, unless paired with vitamin K2 and sufficient vitamin D levels. So what happens when magnesium works without its partners? Your blood vessels stiffen, calcium deposits accumulate, and the very nutrient meant to help blood flow ends up restricting it. That's why I tell my patients, magnesium is essential, but it's only part of the equation. 3. The hidden duo, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Now let's talk about the two vitamins that make the difference between average and optimal performance. Vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. These two vitamins are nature's hidden duo. And when combined with magnesium, they form what I call the circulatory triangle. Let's break it down. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 isn't just a sunshine vitamin. It's actually a hormone precursor that controls over 1,000 genetic expressions in your body, including the genes responsible for testosterone production and nitric oxide synthesis. Nitric oxide is the molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and open, the key to healthy circulation and natural performance. When D3 levels drop, your arteries become less responsive. A 2020 study in the journal Atherosclerosis showed that men with low vitamin D3 had significantly higher arterial stiffness and lower nitric oxide availability. That's why men who spend most of their time indoors or live in regions with limited sunlight often feel sluggish, moody, or experience reduced drive. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Vitamin K2, while vitamin D3 increases calcium absorption, vitamin K2 decides where that calcium goes. Without K2, calcium can end up in your arteries instead of your bones. But with enough K2, particularly the MK7 form, your body activates a protein called matrix GLA protein, which literally sweeps calcium out of your arteries and into your bones, where it belongs. This means softer, more flexible arteries, better circulation, and a stronger skeletal system. According to a 2017 European Heart Journal review, people with higher K2 intake had 50% lower risk of arterial calcification and improved vascular elasticity compared to those who lacked it. Now combine that with D3. And you've got the perfect balance. D3 opens the pathways for calcium absorption. K2 ensures it's delivered to the right place. Magnesium supports the process by keeping your blood vessels relaxed and oxygen-rich. That's how your body rebuilds circulation while you sleep. 4. How they work together. While you sleep every night, your body enters repair mode. Your blood pressure lowers, your cells regenerate, and your hormones reset. If your nutrient balance is correct, particularly your magnesium, D3 and K2 levels, your arteries relax, blood flow improves, and your body restores the very systems that decline with age. Here's the simple science. Magnesium helps muscles, including the heart, relax and recover. Vitamin D3 signals your body to optimize testosterone and nitric oxide. Vitamin K2 keeps your arteries clear and flexible. This nighttime synergy means your cardiovascular system can perform microscopic maintenance, cleaning calcium deposits, improving circulation, and enhancing oxygen delivery by morning. That's why many of my patients report stronger morning energy, clearer focus, better endurance, and improved bedroom confidence, all within a few weeks of balancing these nutrients. 5. Nighttime routine. Now I want to share my simple nighttime routine that helps men over 50 restore blood flow naturally. Before bed, about 1 hour after dinner, mix a glass of warm water with a small serving of magnesium glycinate, a gentle absorbable form. Take vitamin D3, 2,000 to 4,000 IU, preferably with a light fat-containing snack, such as a teaspoon of olive oil. Add vitamin K2, 100 to 200 micrograms, MK7 form, to balance calcium flow. If you prefer a natural approach, you can also add a few slices of fresh kiwi or cherries to enhance melatonin production, pomegranate juice, rich in polyphenols that support nitric oxide, and a touch of ginger, which helps relax blood vessels and improve nighttime metabolism. Then, dim your lights, avoid screens for 30 minutes, and let your body shift into deep recovery mode. This simple nighttime ritual helps your body do what it was designed to do: heal, circulate, and restore. 6. Scientific proof and research highlights. Let's quickly revisit the science behind all this. A Harvard Men's Health study, 2020, linked vitamin D deficiency with a 40% increase in cardiovascular risk and reduced testosterone levels. The European Journal of Nutrition, 2018, found that vitamin K2 supplementation improved arterial elasticity in men over 50. The National Institutes of Health confirmed that magnesium supports nitric oxide synthesis, which improves endothelial function, the key to better blood flow. Together, these nutrients create a repair system that works silently during sleep. when your body's recovery hormones are at their peak. This isn't a quick fix or a miracle cure. It's biology. Given time and consistency, your body can restore itself. 7. Final words. So tonight, before you go to bed, remember this. The secret to performance and vitality after 50 isn't in a bottle of pills. It's in how you support your body's natural rhythm. Forget relying on magnesium alone. Give your body what it truly needs. The perfect trio: magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2. When you balance these nutrients, you don't just improve blood flow, you rebuild confidence, vitality, and longevity from the inside out. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, and I hope this masterclass has inspired you to take charge of your health naturally. Your body knows how to heal. You just need to give it the tools and the time to do so. Sleep well, stay consistent, and wake up stronger.